Hey everyone, here at USA Roofing and Gutters, we are very passionate about giving back to the community that has supported us in business for nearly 20 years. So with that being said, and the holiday season right around the corner, we want to do something very special this year. So from October the 21st through November the 21st, we are going to be accepting nominations for a free roof giveaway. Maybe you know someone that needs a full roof replacement but is experiencing a hard time right now in this season. Well, we want to connect with that person. So click the link below and fill out the form, give us that person's information, and when the nominations are over on November the 21st, the USA Roofing family is going to gather together and we're going to look at each and every nomination, and together we are going to select the person that we feel needs our help the most in this season. Again, we thank you for your continued support in our business. We've been here nearly 20 years and we are so grateful that you have been a part of that. We're really excited about this giveaway, so stay safe and happy holidays.